Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You meet the prerequisites, so start now by opening YouTube Studio and navigating to monetization. You'll need account verification and two-step security enabled. These reduce delays. Once in monetization, select memberships to see eligibility checks and policies. You should review the membership levels and creator guidelines briefly so you know what's allowed. Now click Start on the Membership Setup panel to proceed to tier creation and benefits configuration. This moves you from readiness into building actual paid levels. Once you've clicked Start, create your membership tiers. Pick pricing and a clear name for each level. You should add 3 to 5 benefits per tier. Badges, custom emojis, exclusive uploads, and members-only live chat work well. Make sure images meet YouTube's dimensions and file rules, otherwise uploads fail. Then write concise benefit descriptions so viewers know what they're buying. After you configure tiers and assets, save and preview your membership page to confirm layout and wording before final submission. To finish, accept the membership terms and click Publish. YouTube will run final checks and activate memberships if everything passes. If activation stalls, make sure memberships are supported in your country and that your channel meets all policy requirements. Once done, promote the Join button in videos and community posts. If problems occur, clear your browser cache, try Desktop Studio, and gather screenshots of errors. Then contact YouTube support with those details so they can resolve account-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.